Industry Data Analytics latest published Bus HVAC Systems Market Point 2021 Rising Business Opportunities and Global Trends till 2026. The bus air conditioner system primarily consists of evaporator, magnetic clutch, fresh air device, condenser, compressor, fan, alternator, blower, return air grill, control panel, electrically controlled system and pipeline system. Key manufacturers of the market are Thermo King, Guchen Industry, Denso, Valeo, MAHLE. Bus HVAC systems market register 8.6% CAGR in terms of revenue. The global market size will reach $5,566 million in the year 2027. A few of the important bus HVAC systems market players are Japanese Climate Systems, Carrier, CAGR, Convecta, Sutric USA, Sidwell, Subrose, Grayson Thermal Systems and others. Furthermore, the global bus HVAC systems market is divided by types, by powertrain, and applications. Key highlights. Person to provide more comfortable buses around the world, expanding the bus air conditioner business globally. D-Person is series that introduces energetic Denso associates from around the world. The third issue of D-Person features Daisuke Oda from CV Thermal Systems Engineering DIV. Denso introduces full electrical rooftop HVAC for electric buses, a global market leader in developing and manufacturing advanced bus air conditioning systems. Denso presented its latest full electrical rooftop HVAC system with 2 integrated electrical compressors, meant for electric buses in 9-meter plus category. Thank you for watching us. For more information visit us at industrydataanalytics.com.